What's going on YouTube? Slick Camaro back with another video. So today is the day that I'm taking my car to the shop. It's going to DBR. That's the name of the performance shop in Nashville. And I'm finally taking my baby, man. I'm getting my headers installed. My E85 kit. Well, my E85 kit is already installed. I'm just getting the headers and the tune. Alright, that's basically everything that I'm getting done. So basically the drive is like a 45-minute drive from here. I'm waiting on a couple of my guys to pull up. They're gonna follow me up there, give me a ride back. They should have been here an hour ago, but we ain't gonna talk about that. We ain't gonna talk about it. But yeah, let's go ahead and play the intro, baby.
I just didn't get all my level that we put on yesterday.
Man, you know what? I ain't trying to hear none of that, man.
That shit crazy.
What time are you supposed to be here, bro?
Hey.
What time you supposed to be here, man?
Came in black people time.
Black people time?
Black people time.
Man, look.
Hey, in my defense.
Then you have
So send me his address, not supposed to go pick him up at 8 o'clock.
I told you at 9 o'clock. I told you at 9 o'clock. I'm gonna pull up. Hey, see here?
No,
yeah.
What we talking about yesterday? He said,
don't worry about it.
He said, hey, bro.
Don't worry about it. We got receipts in here.
Man.
Just woke up. Yeah. I'm finna pull up. Bet. Where you at? Down the road. That's 9:30 something.
9:30. What time is it? 9:55. Damn, bro.
Hey, also in my defense, I would be late to my own funeral, bro.
Alright, so here go the headers right here, my connection pipes. I basically got to find a way to fit this in the car, so I might put this in the back seat, lay this down in the back seat, and it's gonna go on the front. Alright, we're gonna make this happen, put it in there, go up to DBR, hopefully everything goes smooth, and we just gonna go from there, man. So let's do it.
Man, I'm so mad about the mid pipes, man, that we talked about.
Yeah.
I'm sad about them shit.
About to make the boy be real loud right here. Trying to get loud, man.
Pop.
That's everything?
Yeah.
Alright, man, the car going off. I'ma see you later, baby. I'ma see you.
"72 hours later."
First fill up with that E85. So I'm back at the house right now. It's a new day. A couple days went by from when I actually picked my car up. So here go the car right here. Back at the house, man. She should be pretty clean. I mean, I just washed her yesterday because I had a photo shoot with the car yesterday. So, you know, she should be pretty clean. So this would be the first cold start that I get on camera. So I want y'all to see this, man. This the first time with the headers and E85 in the tune. So like I said, I was driving her a lot yesterday, so I'm not sure exactly how much it cooled down last night, but it should be good enough for a cold start. So let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, so the car quiet down just a little bit. It's still kind of loud, but I'm getting the car, man, so y'all can hear me talk, so I don't have to yell. Hopefully y'all can hear me better. Y'all should hear me pretty good from inside the car. But from the noise that it made prior to me getting my headers put on the car to now is a huge difference. The car is loud. Now, I told y'all I had the car back at home for a couple of days now, but from driving it around and hearing how it sounds when I rev it, when I you know, hit the gas from second or first gear, it's a lot louder than it was before. So for y'all that are wondering, I have the Kooks headers and I have the Corsa catback exhaust, right? So for all my Camaro people out there, if you have a Camaro, then y'all know that Corsa and Kooks are two of the top tier companies that make exhaust, you know what I'm saying? So those two put together makes a loud car, and I'm telling you right now, my car is loud. It sounds a lot better than it did before. It's faster than it was before with the tune, and it smells even better with the E85. Now, if you don't have E85, if you never, you know, been around E85 or had a chance to experience, I can tell you right now, in my personal opinion, that is the best smelling gas that you can have in your car. Not only is it good for your car because it keeps the car cool, which causes it to perform better, but it smells good. So the best way I can describe it is like, it's like a sweet smell, like a sweet gas smell. Like imagine regular gas, but it's sweeter. You know what I'm saying? The smell is like, I don't know, it's just a sweet smell. It's something that you gotta smell in person. It's not a smell you'll ever forget. As a matter of fact, I need to grab my my camera stand. I almost forgot about that. So yeah, I gotta run in the house. I'm gonna grab my camera stand. But basically, I'm gonna go to a spot, set the camera up. I'm gonna do a couple flybys because I'm by myself right now. I don't have nobody to record it for me. So I'm gonna go to a spot. I'm gonna set the camera up. I'm gonna do a couple flybys so y'all can hear it. I'm gonna rev the car so y'all can really hear how good the car sounds. Hopefully y'all heard it from the cold start by itself. Y'all can hear how loud it is. I have a video on YouTube from when I first got my Corsa catback installed. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna leave that at the top right hand of the screen. That's when I first got my Corsa catback installed on the car, and it sounded good then, but now it sounds even better. But I am going to do a before and after clip from when I first got that installed to when I got my headers installed right now, so that way y'all can hear the difference. Y'all can compare the sounds for yourself, and y'all can hear how different it sounds now. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so we here. Damn, this is a beautiful car, man. right, so the company that's, you know, that's like a private road. I don't want to put the name of the company who road this is, but they gave me a few minutes, like 30 minutes to do a couple passes. So I'm gonna put on my GoPro and I'm gonna do a couple passes, and I just want to see how it is doing it from second, third, fourth, so on. And the crazy thing about that one, I was actually going uphill. I was going uphill on that. I wasn't going downhill. We being honest, I'm really not hitting it at all. Like, my foot is not all the way down when I'm doing these pulls, so I know it's a lot faster, or I know the reaction time is a lot faster than what I'm actually going. You know what I'm saying? Because again, I don't want to go too crazy on this road, because they are giving me the privilege of doing it without no issues. So I'm not trying to go too crazy, but you know, this is it's a big difference from being stock. I'll tell you that right now. It really is. So I'm gonna do this 40 roll from third, and we're gonna end from there. Let's do it. I know a few of y'all are gonna ask me, how much did you put down on the dyno? There is a few more things that I want to do to the car. And actually it's coming real soon, so there's no point in me putting out these numbers now. I will put out these numbers to compare it once I do the other stuff that I got planned for the car. All right, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed these passes, these pulls, this, you know, everything. Again, man, these headers are crazy, bro. This headers tune and E85 is crazy, man. It's a big difference. Tomorrow night, I am taking this car to the track. We're going to the track to do test and tune, to dial some numbers in. So I will see y'all in a couple of days. Slick Camaro signing out.